Hey guys, before the video starts, I just want to say this was recorded a little bit ago. I just now found the time to get around to editing it. These types of videos do take a long time to edit, so I do appreciate the support, and we are almost at 500K, so thank you guys so much.
Who is this?
Oh,
It's a girl. It's a girl.
it is a girl. W Riz series.
What's up, Kenny?
Let me lock in real quick. Hold on. Let's lock in. Be normal.
Everybody remain calm.
What do you think of the hoodie, Brian?
I think it's funny, but I would wear it.
Why?
I don't know. She got a shiesty on?
She got a shiesty on her.
I can't see, bro. I'm a woman. She has a Honda. I guarantee you she has no clue what my bike is.
What? Get the number. Shut up. Get the number, then deliver it to me. Oh my god!
You bitch.
No, I'm just playing, bro. I don't want it.
She waved us down. Maybe she's waiting for her friends.
Yeah, that sucks.
I'm getting gas here, yeah. I don't worry, I'll pay for myself.
No, I owe you anyway.
No, you don't.
I definitely do.
From what?
I just do.
Okay.
I can think of a couple times that you have gotten me recently.
Yeah, like small amounts, nothing big, nothing major. I mean, if you want to take me out.
Oh, look,
gas.
someone said Brian.
Jimbo! Get your bike!
Hey, do you want to race?
Huh?
You want to race?
What do you even have? I'll probably win.
Honda versus Honda?
Maybe. I was trying to have a chill ride, but
I'm sorry, I got it.
I was trying to have a chill ride, but I mean, I'm down to. I haven't opened it up today yet, so.
Oh my god, if you don't grab this pump.
Hey, you be safe.
Get
Yeah,
out of my bike, Jimbo!
What?
Dude, grab the pump!
Hold on. What's I got it. Put it back here. Trying to figure out where she's trying to go.
Dude, I was trying to.
We're gonna hit Route 8, so we're gonna go that way and probably go north or south or something. But hey, you're welcome to join us if you want.
Now I can show her what's goody.
I gotta get gas real quick.
My Senate is dead, dude. So when this is dead, I'm partying.
I gotta feel real fast. Hold on. I guess. You guys are going too quick for me. I'm going. Bypass. I'm in.
Could have gotten. You were just chatting.
Oh, his Senna just died. She's got a Cardo, so she can't hear us.
Cardo.
Yep. Like my gloves. Alright. I got it. We're good.
And little 600 on it.
Let's see if she can keep up.
Nah, dude, I don't want to kill her.
She just riding? I didn't even ask her what she's doing out here.
Hey! Ignored. I want to ask her if she's from here. I might know her possibly.
Maybe.
Like if she went to my school or not.
Let's get to know her. You turn. Imagine she was waiting for these baggers.
Nah, dude. Alright, I'm just gonna start going.
Where you headed? Where you headed? Where you headed? Where you headed? Cuyahoga Falls. Okay, sick.
We're both going south.
We're both going south, so.
Ash, she's from here. Okay.
What's up?
I just wanted to know if she's from here or not.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh,
I got.
trying to pass her here without. Where you from? Shit, I'm sorry. Where you from? She can't hear me.
I just want to know if she's like from here or not.
Probably scaring the poor girl, man. I'm like, she don't know us. I'm definitely scaring the poor girl. She don't know me. All right, well now she's asking for it.
She was camping our. She was camping our fucking gas station.
Well, now she's got to keep up with us.
Oh!
Is Kenny wheeling back there?
You see that?
No, I didn't.
I literally bounced.
Oh, she comes.
Yeah. Had to assert dominance real quick. Sorry.
Were you wheeling back there? Oh, that's right. He can't talk anymore. His Senna died. It's just me and you. I was wondering why the sound quality was too good.
And you and me. We're just so happy. Yo, did y'all see that wheelie? Tell me it was nice.
It was pretty nice, dude. I actually
Thank
didn't see it, but.
Alright. It's alright. Oh, 5-0.
Oh, let's see if he chases.
It's gonna get real interesting if he does.
So yeah, this is a little bit later after, you know, nothing happened. It's just, you know, we happened to lose her, and yeah.
Where'd the girl go? Where'd the girl go? Oh, like, did you leave her behind, or did she take off too?
No, she slowed down.
I wonder if she got.
She's not about it. She's not about
She's
it.
not about it.
Not about it. Alrighty. Good right there, bro.
All right, you too, buddy.
Hey, good thing we didn't say no names to her. I just met her 5 minutes ago.